Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. What are the messages for you, Leo? It's your reading and it's your card. Ten of Wands with Three of Wands. You turn your back from your person. And Ten of Wands, because it is becoming like hard work for you, overburden for you, that's why you decided to walk away. Maybe this person is in and out of your life. There is no commitment. This person is not available to you when you need them emotionally. No equal give and take. So that's why you decided to turn your back from this person. For some, it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. So let's see your reading. Recent past. Queen of Wands, Emperor and Eight of Cups. King of Wands. So you decided to stand by yourself. To stand by yourself. You want to take your control back totally. Yes. And you did it also. And you walked away from this connection. Eight of Cups. Maybe it is difficult for you. Maybe you are not willing to do it, but still you have to do it. That's why you decided to walk away. Then present, Five of Cups, Four of Cups and Nine of Wands. Yes, you're feeling sad without this person. Still you are missing them, even though you are walked away. And Four of Cups, you are feeling missed opportunity with this person. And Nine of Wands, but you are guarded up right now. Yes. But you are thinking about them. Still you are missing your person a lot. Then future, the Hermit, Strength and Knight of Pentacles. You are undergoing some spiritual awakening. The Hermit. Then you are taking your control back totally. The Strength card. You overcome this pain, this separation pain. You heal yourself completely after the transformation, the Hermit. In near future, you will heal completely. And Knight of Pentacles, but someone willing to come back. Knight of Pentacles. It could be a past person. It could be a new person for some. But someone is coming. Knight of Pentacles energy, but this is very, very slow moving. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Virgo or Leo, another Leo. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, King of Wands. So their feelings. Nine of Cups, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Tower. Your person undergoing some tower moment right now. Nine of Cups. Yes, they're wishing for this connection. They're wishing for you. And Six of Cups, they are thinking about you a lot. For some, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And Seven of Cups, they are dreaming about you. They are fantasizing about you a lot. Yes, that's why they're wishing for you. And without you, they're feeling the tower moment. So let's see their intentions. Lot of water energy. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see their intentions. Again the Hermit. I think strong Virgo energy. Nine of Pentacles. I think they want to take action. They are willing to take action, but they are unable to take any action towards you because the Hermit with Eight of Swords. Right now, your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are going some transformation, major transformation, and at the same time, Eight of Swords energy. They are feeling stuck. They are unable to make any move right now, but they want success in this connection. They are thinking about you a lot. They are dreaming about you a lot. They are fantasizing about you, but right now they are not. Yes, they are spiritually awakening for this connection, and but in action wise, to be honest, they are not going to make any action right now. In near future maybe, but right now they're feeling stuck. They're undergoing some transformation, but they're thinking about you a lot, but they want success in this connection. And your person is financially stable. For some, maybe your person right now working hard for their career. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Virgo. Yeah, right now there are no contact situation between you and your person. They are healing because the Hermit and Four of Swords. They're healing. They are not talking to you. They're guarded up right now because they want to heal completely. But they are dreaming about you. They want this happiness with you. Four of Wands. For some, you both could be twin flames. Yeah, for some soulmates also. It depends because Six of Cups is here. But you are missing them. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding this person. And Queen of Pentacles. Then King of Cups. For some, a new person is coming towards you, Leo. It could be a new person for some. And for some, this person want to offer their cup of love to you, but it will take some time. Right now, they are undergoing spiritual awakening. After the transformation phase is once completed, they will approach you. It will take some time. But you are missing them. You are getting a lot of thoughts regarding this person. And you have emotions, even though you walked away. Still, you are waiting. You wish fulfillment and Eight of Pentacles. Yes. You both are wishing for the same. You both want to work on this relationship. Yes, your both wishes are going to be granted. And Eight of Pentacles working on the relationship. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. What do you need to release? Your hard work is paying off. New Moon in Capricorn. If you are doing hard work, definitely it is going to be paying off. And what do you need to release? If you are thinking about your person negatively, about this relationship negatively, so you have to release all those negative thoughts. These are the messages from Moon Oracle deck. Let's see messages from your person and through the channel. Leo. All I want is you. Retreat. Family issues. Separation. Yes, for some you both are in separation. For some family issues. For some retreat. And all I want is you. Yes, they want you. They are healing. But they are thinking about you. Yes. After the phase, definitely they will approach you. But it will take some time. They're feeling stuck because Eight of Swords energy right now, your person. But they're missing you. They're dreaming about you. They're fantasizing about you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. And click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.